Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to SM City Mega Event Center. This is Aspire 2022, agribusiness support for promotion and investment in regional expositions. This is in connection with the celebration of 8th Bicol Business Month. We'd like to acknowledge the arrival of our beloved City Mayor, Honorable Nelson Ligacion. We would like also to acknowledge the presence of Honorable Jose Perez, City Councilor, Honorable Jose Ranyola, City Councilor, PCCI Regional Governor, Mr. Ferdinand Shah, and of course, the President of Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Mario Villanueva. Bicol Businessman Chairman, Mr. E.J. Guazon. Best of Bicol Event Chair, Ms. Emeline M. Salgado. Russell Puwatan. Laureano L. Bihag Jr. Honorable Omar Buenafez, City Councilor. And of course, joining us this morning is our City Administrator, Mr. Elmer Baldemoro. Sino pa yun? Of course, Honorable Jesse Albios is here with us this morning. Signing? Nabaluan na yan, si Ma'am Rosemary. Na-print ko yun, also here with us this morning is Honorable Oying Rosales, City Councilor. Ladies and gentlemen, we are witnessing a MOA signing between the Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry and the City Government of Naga, of course headed by our beloved City Mayor, Honorable Nelson Ligacion on the part of the City Government, and Dr. Mario Villanueva on the part of the Chamber of Commerce and Industry.
Pakulang mantik. As attorney. Leave it to us. Parang talak-talak dito. Lambang mata na may concrete dapat.
Sabihan mo ka.
Ayun.
Sabihin mo,
We would like also to acknowledge the following exhibitors who participated for this year's Aspire Agribusiness Support for Promotion and Investment in Regional Exposition. This will be held today, October 14 to 16 until Sunday 2022. Department of Agriculture, Porto's Kitchen Chill Garlic Oil, Farm Free Link, Pili Vegetable Growers Association, Procamprofa, Santo Niño Pili Vegetable Growers Association, Microgreens Plant Nursery, Siligaya Food Products, San Agustin, San Ramon Agrarian Reform Farmers Cooperative, Planza High Value Crops Planters Association, the Agri Planters and Food Processor Association of Tigaon, Pensomil Organic Fertilizer, 44 de Pe Fruit Nursery, RIC Sagrada, Jum's Garden and Agri Trading, Icochos Food Products, Sares Pilinat Candy, MCF Agro Ventures, Mauswag Agribusiness Incorporated, Mayon Perfection Confectionery, Pecuaria Development Cooperative, Philippine Coconut Authority, Bicol Cacao Growers Association, Naga City Organic Farmers Association, Agripreneur Farmers Producers Association, Tinangis Upland Farmers Agriculture Cooperative, Mayogob Agrarian Reform Cooperative, Bicolanas Agriculture Cooperative, Tang and a Pepper, Serious Food Products, Vanya's Chili Project and Bistro, Pepper Reaper Chili Products Manufacturing, Marcelino Food Products, Maria E. Food Products, Size, Orange Country Enterprise, ICAS Food Products, Natural Food Products, Emerald Sweet Delights, DWS Rice Products, Ras Topsy Food House, Zera's Mushroom Products, Aping's Food Products, Koi Scrub Paste, Suprafeeds, Ulake Food Products, Kapeduman, The House of Tofu by Kaila's Food and Beverage House, Mina's Processed Food, M.A. Haya Dried Fish and Flavored Tinapa, Bicol State College of Applied Science and Technology, Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges, Alden Therese Food Products, Colby Farm Enterprise, Gamsay Healthy Food Products, and MYI Food Industry. Likewise, we would like to acknowledge the presence of Chief Field Operation Division, Department of Agriculture, Region 5, Dr. Mary Grace Rodriguez. Market Specialist, Department of Agriculture, AMAS, Trinidad Carlos, duly represented by Director Junibert Desagua. The Chief Agribusiness and Marketing Assistance Division Chief, Department of Agriculture, Region 5, Arivina A. Losa. May we request everyone to please gather at the entrance of the event hall for us to have the ribbon cutting and opening ceremony. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to SM City Naga Event Center. The Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry, together with the City Government of Naga, Department of Agriculture, Department of Trade and Industry, and the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industries, brings you this year's Aspire 2022, the agribusiness support for promotion and investment in regional expositions. Aspire. The Aspire is intended to serve as a platform for effective promotion of agricultural products, enterprise development, and agribusiness investment through backward and forward linkages for the local and international markets. It aims to promote local agri-based products for SMEs while showcasing its strong backward linkage with farmers and fisher talk. It will also assist small farmers and producers develop into agri-entrepreneurs to expand their networks and tie up with other agribusiness industry players. Aspire will help to disseminate information on agribusiness opportunities to entice investors into the sector. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the opening ceremony of Aspire 2022 here at SM City Naga Event Center. Ladies and gentlemen, the cutting of ribbon. Of course, it is headed by our beloved City Mayor, Honorable Nelson Ligacion, the President of Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Dr. Mario Villanueva, and our guest coming from the region of the Department of Agriculture, Department of Trade and Industries, and the representative coming from the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industries.
Tapos agad ng choir, alisin yung mic stand. Mayroon lang microphone yung host na wireless.
For the information of everybody, we are live at the IMJ Creative and Bicol Businessman FB page. IMJ Interactive. We would like also to acknowledge the presence of SM City Naga Mall Manager, Ms. Jeanette De Vera. Thank you so much, ma'am, for assisting us in all our needs in regards to this event.
Girl, kasi lang sa sagot sa panglupit. Okay na naman. Baka panglupit niya. Patulog kami. Kasi
once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is Aspire 2022. We are live at the Facebook page of Bicol Businessman, Metro Naga Chamber, and IMJ Interactive. Ladies and gentlemen, we are witnessing live the visitation of booths by our VIPs and dignitaries in this year's Aspire 2022 Agricultural Once again, we are live at Bicol Business Month Facebook page, Metro Naga Chamber Facebook page, and IMJ Interactive Facebook page, the Bicol's premier and pioneering live multimedia. We would like to extend our heartfelt thanks to the following exhibitors for this year's Aspire 2022. Of course, the Department of Agriculture, Porto's Kitchen Chili Garlic Oil, Farm Free Link, Pocam Profa, Pili Vegetable Growers Association, Santo Niño Pili Vegetable Growers Association, Microgreens Plants Nursery, Siligaya Food Products, San Agustin San Ramon Agrarian Reform Farmers Cooperative, Planza High Value Crops Planters Association, the Agri Planters and Food Processor Association of Tigaon, Pensumil Organic Fertilizer, 4D Cuatro de Pe Fruit Nursery, RIC Sagrada, Jum's Garden and Agri Trading, Ayo Cocos Food Products, Sares Pilinat Candy, MCF Agro Ventures, Mauswag Agribusiness Incorporated, Mayon Perfection Confectionery, Pecuaria Development Cooperative, Philippine Coconut Authority, Bicol Cacao Growers Association, Naga City Organic Farmers Association, Agripreneur Farmers Producers Association, Tinangis Upland Farmers Agriculture Cooperative, Mayogom Agrarian Reform Cooperative, Bicolanas Agriculture Cooperative, Tang and A Pepper, Sergio's Food Products, Vanya's Chili Project and Bistro, Pepper Ripper Chili Products Manufacturing, Marcelino Food Products, Size, Maria E Food Products, Orange Country Enterprise, Ika's Food Products, Om Naturals Food Products, Emerald Sweet Delights, BWS Rice Products, Rastapsi Food House, Sierra's Mushroom Products, Apping's Food Products, Koi's Crab Paste, Supra Feeds, Ulaic Food Products, Kapedoman, The House of Tofu by Kaila's Food and Beverage House, Mahinas Processed Food, MA Haya Dried Fish and Flavored Tinapa, Bicol State College of Applied Science and Technology, Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges, Alden Therese Food Industry, Colby Farm Enterprise, Gamse Healthy Food Products, and MYA Food Industry. We would like also to acknowledge Dr. Mary Grace Rodriguez, the Chief Field Operation Division, Department of Agriculture, Region 5. Trinidad Carlos, Junior represented by Director Junibert de Sagua, Market Specialist, Department of Agriculture, AMAS. Adelina A. Losa, Chief Agribusiness and Marketing Assistance Division Chief, Department of Agriculture, Region 5. Ladies and gentlemen, to formally start our program, may I call on the Naga College Foundation Chorale for the invocation and the singing of the Philippine National Anthem. May we request everybody to please stand. Philippine National Anthem. You may now be seated. Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry, together with the City Government of Naga, Department of Agriculture, Department of Trade and Industry Philippines, Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry, welcomes you this year's Aspire 2022. And now, our host for today's event, the versatile host of Bicolandia, Mr. Floyd J. Medina.
Thank you so much, Ben. And of course, maray na aga, maugmang syudad, digdi sa syudad ni Naga. And of course, good morning to the pilgrim city of Naga at magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Today is gonna be a great day because this is one of the most highlighted, highly anticipated, and much awaited event of the business or the Bicol Business Month of 2022. And also today, we're about to witness our amazing exhibitors, especially our local farmers and business owners. So without further ado, I am Floyd J. Naval Medina, and live here at SM City, Naga, Naga City. Ito ang none other than Aspire, Agribusiness Support for Promotion and Investment in Regional Exposition or Aspire 2022. Wala ba tayo mga kamay, everyone? Thank you so much. So ladies and gentlemen, I would like to say thank you for being with us this morning. We're done with the cutting of the ribbon at tuloy-tuloy na po itong ating Aspire 2022. Right after 2.5 years ay magkakaroon ulit tayo ng ating isa sa pinaka-ingrande na event dito sa siyudad ng Naga, ang ating Bicol Business Month. Ngayon naman, tuloy-tuloy na rin po ang pagbangon ng lahat ng ating mga local farmers, local businesses, at iba't iba pang mga sectors na kung saan ay talagang ipinapakita po nila ang kanilang angking talento at ang kanilang mga produkto ngayong umagang ito. So ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, ay sisimulan na natin ang ating programa with our welcome address. So may I request to give us the welcome address, the President of the Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry, we have Mr. Mario C. Villanueva. A big round of applause, please.
Diyos maray na aga sa indong gabos. Again, we're so blessed today that we are opening our Aspire for this year, no? As the word it says, aspire, no? We look forward to a brighter tomorrow. Brighter tomorrow. Nakaka-overwhelm, no? Especially looking at all the exhibitors that we have coming from our mga parauma, mga farmers natin, at ating mga manufacturers coming from Naga and the Bicol region in general. So this Aspire is an agribusiness support for promotion and investment in regional expositions. As I go around this morning, I get overwhelmed, no? Kasi the products that we're looking at are really exportable. Kailangan lang talaga ang tulong ng ating gobyerno, ng ating mga negosyante para maipakita what we have here in Naga. Especially now that there is food shortage all over the world, it is but fitting that we sponsor what we have here in Naga and in Bicol to be able to augment the shortage that we are having. Kaya kailangan lang is a realignment of what we used to do every morning, every day, looking at all the products that we have. Gulay, napakadami. Sana mabawas-bawasan na yung ating pag-open ng dilata and we can take a look at the products that we have fresh, which would even be good for our health. So maraming salamat sa ating mga kaagapay dito sa event na ito na that will inspire everyone to really help in our economic recovery. Of course, sa ating Department of Agriculture, sa ating Department of Trade and Industry, sa Philippine Chamber of Commerce, and siyempre sa ating syudad ng Naga. Ang ating mga kaibigan na nandito will be introduced later by our chairperson ng ating Bicol Business Month na si Mr. EJ M. Guason. No? Hindi na ako magtatagal sapagkat napakaganda na mag-ikot talaga. Sabi ko nga sa misis ko, punta ka doon at babawasan ko na ang allowance mo kasi siguradong mas mura ang makukuha mo doon at we will be even sponsoring the businesses of our farmers here in Naga. No? So, without further ado, maraming salamat sa ating mga kaibigan for putting all these things together. And here we are looking forward for a better future kahit na mataas ang presyo ng gasolina. Pero yung mga may mga kasama na nasa OFW ay maganda naman dahil umaabot na ng 59 pesos hanggang 60 pesos to $1 ang kanilang mga remittances. Kaya Filipinos, let's just move forward. Let's get inspired by our leaders. So, maraming salamat ulit and to God be the glory.
Thank you so much once again, of course, to our President of the Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Again, a big round of applause for Mr. Mario Villanueva. Thank you so much, sir, for the very well said message. And now at this point, let's proceed with the acknowledgement of guests and exhibitors. And here's also the chairperson of the Bicol Business Month and the Vice President for the Programs and Projects of the Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Mr. EJ M. Guazon.
Maray na aga po sa inyo, boss. Magandang umaga po sa inyo. Again, I would like to express my special thanks for the second time to the City Government of Naga, Honorable Son Legacion, salamat po, and the members of the Sangguniang Panglungsod. Di ko na po kamo sasaro-saroon, kadakol nindo, pero nauugma kami sa part kang Metro Naga Chamber Board of Directors, tahalos po gabos na City Councilor ngunyan, yaon po ngunyan digdi sa SM City Event Center. And papasalamatan ko man po ang Department of Agriculture sa panginginot po ni Dr. Mary Grace Rodriguez, ang Chief Field Operation Division kang Department of Agriculture. And of course, from the Central Office, Madam Trinidad Carlos, the Marketing Specialist kang AMAS, kang Department of Agriculture, salamat po. And the Chief Agribusiness and Marketing Assistance Division of the Department of Agriculture, Region 5, Ma'am Adelina A. Losa, salamat pong maray sa imo sa suporta mo po sa Metro Naga Chamber. And dawa po mayo siya digdingon yan, gusto ko pong pasalamatan ang Regional Director kang Department of Agriculture, si D.A. Rodel Tornilla. And of course, papasalamatan ko man po ang Department of Trade and Industry sa panginginot kang Samuyang Provincial Director, si Kuya J. Ablan. Dawa po, nagpasabi siya na mayo siya, i-acknowledge ko pa rin po siya. And of course, the Naga City Investment Board, Sir Ruel Oliver, salamat po. And of course, kasubago, nakaibanan ko ang sa Indong Naga City Administrator, si former Councilor Baldemoro, salamat din po. And of course, the PCCI Regional Governor, headed by Regional Governor Don Shah, salamat po sa imo. And for the second time, papasalamatan ko ang mall manager kang SM City of Naga, si Ma'am Janet, Madam Di Vera, salamat po sa pag-akomodar sa muya. And of course, dahil ko malilingawan ang sakuyang mga pag-iriba sa Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce Board of Directors, sabi nga ni Ninda, dahil mo man lamang ngayon kami babanggiton. Ngunyan po, ini ang pagkakataon para pasalamatan ko sinda saro-saro, the Executive Vice President me, of course, Tito Danny De Leon, and the Vice President for Finance, Miss Emeline Salgado, and of course, the Treasurer at the same time, the Auditor of the Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce, Miss Russell Puwatan, and Director Jun Bihag, yaon po ngunyan digdi, and the Secretary, Acela Cruz, maray na aga sa imuman, and of course, Director Jun Buelba and Director Okol and Dr. Zantua, sinda po ang mga pag-iribo ko sa Metro Naga Chamber. And of course, dahil ko malilingawan bago ako magbaba digdi, ang samuyang Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce President, si Mr. Mario Villanueva. Doc, salamat po sa imo. Liwat, maray na aga po sa Indoga Boss. Let's enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you po.
There you have it. Thank you so much once again to the chairperson of Bicol Business Month and the Vice President for Programs and Projects of MNCCI. Once again, Mr. EJM Gonzon. Palapakan ulit natin, everyone. Thank you, sir. Now, let's proceed to the messages of the following people. To start, of course, ang ama ng ating syudad dito sa Naga City may request the ever-active and dynamic Mayor, Honorable Nelson S. Legacion. Palapakan ulit natin.
Marahay na pag-aaga po sa tuyaga, boss. Good morning. So bago po ugmahon po akong maray kan naglilibot apwera sa tinatawanan nin pagkakan. Biglang nagbalik po si mga pangyayari kan sadit pa. Ninuli po nga ni taan sa indong lingkod aki nin parauma. Kaya kan malasahan ko si Tuba mahamis-hamis, ha? Nyako si Garosihuri kung namit kayan, nasa elementary grades pa po ako. So gusto sabihon, mga pirang taon nang nakakaagi, about 40 years ago. Ha? And nagpuon na din po ako magbakal ng mga pwedeng pananom. Ha? Arog po kayan ka-importante sa sakuya ang sektor kan agrikultura. Sa mga pag-iriba sa lokal na gobyerno kan Naga, an parauma kan sangguni ang panglungsod. Bako lang ninhuli sa kolor kan sa iyang kublit, kundi dahil nag-uuma po talaga siya. Chairman kan Committee on Agriculture, Councilor Buddy del Castillo, Councilor Joe Perez, Councilor Doc Sani Ranyola, Councilor Doc Jess Albios, Councilor Attorney Uying Rosales, Councilor Doc Gail Abonal Gomez, and of course, Councilor General Omar Buenafe. Ang pagtaong galang man po sa Regional Governor kan Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry, my friend, Mr. Ferdinand Dondon siya, an kan inot kan opening an sabi ko an may sadiri kan SM City siningning De Vera mayo pa man nag-iistorya sa mga opisyalis po kan Department of Agriculture, nakaibanan ta po ngunyan, mga katuwang sa sektor kan negosyo, Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry, lalong-lalo na very dynamic, garoday naggugurang na presidente kan Naga College Foundation, as in presidente kan Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry, si Sir Mario Villanueva. Sa tuya po gabo sa liwat, marhain na pagkaaga. Pasalamatan ta po inot si mga stakeholders in the staging of this year's agribusiness support for promotion and investment in regional expositions o kaya Aspire exhibit as part of our celebration of the 2022 Bicol Business Month. Kaya palakpakan ta po si gabos na exhibitors. Of course, this is one good opportunity for our farmers, fisher folks, and MSMEs in the Bicol region, as activities like this largely aid in the value chain in agriculture. The current dilemmas in the agricultural sector, which among others include inflation that is now at 6.9% and is being seen to not decline any sooner, is all the more posing threat for our farmers. With the rising farm input prices and the decreasing purchasing power of consumers. That's why it is very much relevant that we are putting premium in agribusiness as we look into maximizing profit and productivity and economizing cost in our agricultural sector. Here in Naga City, through our City Agriculture Office, that is also the direction of our agenda in our local agricultural sector, as mirrored in our comprehensive development plan for the year 2022 to 2030. Trainings for improved crop and vegetable production, employment of organic farming techniques, livelihood trainings in food processing, agri-fairs, and more, in order to help not just in food security, but more so in the income security of our farmers, to help improve their profitability and living standards, and all the while satisfying consumer demand. To reiterate, we give importance not only to food security, but even more to our farmers' income security. The issues arising in our agriculture sector involve many different sectors. That is why it is also important that as duty bearers, we take on a multi-sectoral approach in addressing these problems as what we are doing now. So, congratulations for the successful start of this Aspire exhibit, and all the best to all our participating farmers and entrepreneurs. Diyos mabalos po sa liwat maray na pag-aaga.
Once again, thank you so much to our Honorable Nelson S. Legacion, the City Mayor of Naga. Maraming salamat, sir. Now let's proceed to the Regional Governor of the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry. May request now, we have Mr. Ferdinand D. Shah. Palapakan natin.
Good morning. Mataong galang lang po kita. Ano po? Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion. Sabi po nga ni kasabago ni Mayor, anong taong ka to Mayor nakanamit ka tong... Yan lang po ang patunay na sa tuyang Mayor ahead of his time. Ano po? Ang usong unyan, kato na nanamitan niya na. Kidding aside. Okay. Honorable Jose Perez, Honorable Uying Rosales, Honorable Jesse Albios, Honorable Jose Ranyola, Honorable Salvador del Castillo, Honorable Gail Abonal, Honorable Omar Buenafe, Miss Trinidad Carlos, of course our good friend very good friend from the Department of Agriculture. Pag nailing mi po siya, naugma kami permi. Sabi ko po nga ni kasabago, kaya nailing ko si Ma'am Nene, tatagalogin ko po. Nung nakita ko po si Ma'am Nene, malayo pa lang, akala ko candidate ng Miss Bicolandia kasi na pero paglapit ko, mas maganda pa pala kaysa sa mga kandidata. Miss Nene Ilosa po. Of course, si Miss Rosemary de la Trinidad. Dito rin po siya. And Naga City Investment Board Executive Director, Mr. Roel Oliver. Naga City Administrator, Elmer Bardimoro. The owner of SM Naga, Miss Janet De Vera Adeda. Of course, our President, President Mario C. Villanueva, very dynamic and a young at heart President. Bicol Businessman Chairman E.J. Guason. And of course, banggatin ko din po ang mga mahihigo sa direktor. Nayaon ko niyan Igdi, Russell Puwatan, Laureano Bihag Jr., our representatives from the Camarines Sur Chamber, nailing ko po dyan si Miss Ana Biltoy. Ayun naman po. Of course, si Madam Lian, last week po, nagkaugan ng event man po, dinalingawan ko po, tulungal daw po ako dahil pigtiin, no? Kaya, yan po si Ma'am Lian, very sorry po. So, I would like to acknowledge the beautiful Miss Lian Montemayor. Ano po? Inot na inot po, gusto ko pong magpasalamat sa Department of Agriculture. Since 2017, nung unang inintroduce po itong Aspire na to, kasi it's a tripartite, it's between the Department of Agriculture as lead, and then the Department of Trade and Industry, and the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Ano po? Pinunan po yan kang 2017 na ang purpose po is to, kumbaga, ito pong magkauga po kitang tuon po kitang pansin sa mga regional exposition para itong mga fisher folks and of course the farmers mas di nasasakitan sa mga produkto sa mga end user. Ano po? Saka sa mga parabakal po ninda. Ano po? Poon po katong 2017, ako po kato ang Bicol Businessman Chairman. Nagigirumduman ko po yung kadto. Ako po, kinabahan po ako kato, tabaka, sabi ko, ini po si Miss Nene, baka medyo may isog kayo ni kato eh. Medyo, dahil man may isog, medyo, dahil nagingirit. Pero pag rani ko po, nakangirit na. Kaya na po yan, every year na po, maski po pandemic, ang Department of Agriculture po, perming kaibanan ta po. Natatandaan ko po, katong last term ko as President, si Ma'am Nene, nagpartner man po giraray, ang DA, nagpartner man po giraray sa MNCCI, maski po katong virtual po. Ito pong Zoom, mga ano ba, araw po kaya. Pangadwa po, mapasalamat man po kita sa City Government of Naga, sa partner permit sa satuyang Chamber of Commerce. Kato pong nagpuon po ako, siguro, kabanga lang po ang pigtatao kanto. Ang binibigay ng tulong ng City Government of Naga, kalahati lang po nung binibigay ngayon. Kaya, dyan po napakita na mahal po ako ng mayor. Yung MNCCI po pala ng mayor. And of course, ng ating mga sangguniang panlungsod. Ano po? Sa PCCI po, as partner ng Aspire program, every year po, parati po tayong may mga programs o mga projects na hinaheld sa national level. Kung naalala po nga natin, the late PCCI Director, basta, nakalimutan ko. Director for Agriculture, si Bobby Amores. Tama po. Siya po yung, very, talagang grabe yung passion niya sa Aspire, nakakasama po ni Ma'am. Sa amin naman po, sa PCCI, nagpapasalamat po kami na ang MNCCI, yun pa rin po yung, yung tinatahak na landas. Tulungan yung ating mga farmers. Kasi po nga, sabi nga nila, ang backbone po ng economy ng any nation is agriculture. Wala pong ibang mga bansa na umasenso na hindi nag-umpisa sa agriculture. So, lalo na po ngayon, ang primary kumbaga number one priority ng ating President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. ay ang agriculture. So, inaasahan po natin na talagang makakarating po yan dito sa atin, yung mga programs ng national government. And at the same time, sana po, suportahan po natin para makatulong po sa ating ekonomiya. So, hindi na po ako magtatagal. Again, to the Department of Agriculture, Department of Trade and Industry, and the Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry, congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you so much once again to our none other than the Regional Governor of the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry. We have Mr. Ferdinand D. Shah. Maraming salamat, sir. Once again, we're still here live at SM City Naga for our Aspire Agribusiness Support for Promotion and Investment in Regional Exposition 2022. Ladies and gentlemen, to give us the first intermission number for this morning, may I now request to sing the song entitled Maghintay Ka Lamang from Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges. We have Mr. James Michael Aljan.
Radio notifications. Follow the notification notification access.
Kung hindi ngayon ang panahon na para sa'yo, huwag maiinip dahil ganyan ang buhay sa mundo. Huwag mawawalan ng pag-asa, darating din ang ligaya. Ang isipin mo may bukas pa na mayroong saya. Kabigo ay hindi hadlang upang tumakas ka. Huwag kang iiwas pag nabibigo, dapat na lumaban ka. Ang kailangan mo'y tibay ng loob kung mayroong pagsubok man. Ang liwanag ay di magtatagal at muling mamamasdan. Ikot ng mundo ay hindi laging pighatid kasawian. Ang pangarap mo ay makakamtan, basta't maghintay ka lamang. Kung hindi ngayon ang panahon na para sa iyo, huwag maiinip dahil ganyan ang buhay sa mundo. Huwag mawawala ng pag-asa, darating din ang ligaya. Ang isipin mo may bukas pa na mayroong saya. Kabigo ay hindi hadlang upang tumakas ka. Huwag kang iiwas pag nabibigo, dapat na lumaban ka. Ang kailangan mo'y tibay ng loob kung mayroong pagsubok man. Ang liwanag ay di magtatagal at muling mamamasdan. Ikot ng mundo ay hindi laging pighatid kasawian. Ang pangarap mo ay makakamtan, basta't maghintay ka lamang. Wow! tibay ng loob kung mayroong pagsubok man. Ang liwanag ay di magtatagal at muling mamamasdan. Ikot ng mundo ay hindi laging pighatid kasawian. Ang pangarap mo ay makakamtan, basta't maghintay ka lamang. Ang pangarap mo ay makakamtan, basta't maghintay ka lamang.
There you go. Thank you so much once again for that wonderful song number. We have Mr. James Michael Odjan from CSPC. Now, let's move on with another part of the program. Now, to give another message for this morning, may I request the representative of our Regional Executive Director of the Department of Agriculture, RFO 5. We have Mr. Rodel Tornilla, but we have here for this morning, we have Dr. Mary Grace Rodriguez, the Chief Field Operation Division of DA5. Palapakan natin.
Maray na aga po. Maray na aga. Hi na si Mayor. Biglang hinanap. In behalf of our Regional Executive Director, Rodel Peter Nilia, sana mabigyan ko po ng justice yung kanyang mensahe ngayong umaga. So, para kay Mayor, asa na si Mayor na may magandang jacket at maganda ring hingin, together with the sangguniang panglungsod, Mr. Ferdinand Shah, the Regional Governor of Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Mr. Mario Villanueva, the President of the Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Ito si Madam, kailangan ko si Madam lagi akong keep in touch para makasama sa kanya. Madam Trinidad Carlos, the Market Specialist 3 of Agribusiness and Marketing Assistance Service. Si Ma'am, ang sexing nene, Ma'am Adelina A. Losa, the Chief of AMAD. O nene yan na sexy. Parang 16 years old, Ma'am Nene. And I would like also to mention, kahit wala dito si Mr. J. Ablan, and the whole family of the MNCCI and also the administration of the SMCT of Naga, sa mga exhibitors, farmers, entrepreneurs, representatives from the LGUs and other national agencies present, good morning po sa ating lahat. So kanina na-mention din po ni Mr. Shah that Aspire started in Bicol in 2017. And tayo po sa Bicol, ang isa sa 5 regions na nag-pilot ng project na ito. At hindi po ito mangyayari kung wala ang Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry and ang Department of Trade and Industry. So, I would like to thank first the MNCCI and the DTI for their usual support and to our endeavors. So kanina na-mention na rin what Aspire stands for. So andito naman siya. And through Aspire, the DA aims to promote our 4 important commodities in Bicol that have great potential in the local and even global market. So these are pineapple, cacao, vegetable, pili, and taro. So, tama ba, Nene? Andyan siya yung 4. And pili, region's flagship commodity. As number 1 producer of pili in the Philippines, Bicol region's annual contribution to national output does not go beyond 85%. So pili also po, since I am also the High Value Crops Development Program Coordinator, has a very high potential for export. Alam din niya ni Ma'am Nene. In pineapple, which is abundant in Camarines Norte, Bicol ranks 3rd as largest producer nationwide. Meanwhile, taro is an emerging commodity of Bicol, which also has a vast potential export. So, ito rin na-witness din namin to ni Ma'am Nene kung paano nagkaroon ng malaking export potential ang taro. The DA is also giving production and technical support to our farmers and entrepreneurs engaged in the production and processing of these 4 important commodities. We are even producing tissue-cultured planting materials of pineapple and taro to produce more planting materials in a short span of time. So the High Value Crops Development Program, as I have mentioned po kanina, is distributing grafted cacao and pili, and mabenta rin po ang vegetable seeds. Hindi lang sa farmers, lahat po ng may gustong gulayan ay nagre-request sa amin ng seeds. Gulayan sa paaralan, gulayan sa barangay, gulayan sa simbahan, pati po gulayan sa kulungan ay binigyan na rin po namin. Totoo po yan. And we are catering the assorted pinakbet vegetables. So, kung ano yung nasa pinakbet, yun po. But our efforts should not stop in production. We must also teach our farmers to be successful entrepreneurs. We are therefore banking on the agriculture sector's crucial link to agribusiness and investments, both from the government and yun, mga kapartner natin ngayon, the private sectors, to help expand existing opportunities and develop new ones for our aspiring entrepreneurs. Ako po personally natutuwa ako kasi featured dito yung high value crops, which yung first love ko siyempre yung asawa ko. Di pwedeng second love ko. Ano, Ma'am Nene? Baka magalit sa akin. Through the Aspire's driving components, namely enterprise development and industry support, agribusiness investments and promotion, trade fairs, exhibits, promotion and market matching, our farmers as well as micro and small to medium-sized enterprises are being linked to potential investments. Kanina din nga, nagsasabi din sa akin si Madam Nancy, pag meron tayong mga pwede na sigurong mga bisita or pwedeng i-token sa Manila, itap na natin yung mga nandito. Pwede na silang mag-network tayo. Hindi na lang pwede rin, Pili is our champion, pero ang dami kong nakitang pwede nating ibigay as token, especially gifts po ngayong Pasko. This kind of exposition serves as center stage where windows of opportunities can be available for our budding agripreneurs. Through this Aspire, matutulungan natin ang mga food producers and entrepreneurs to explore their market opportunities not only in the local but even in the national and international markets. Meron pa nga pong kwento yung battled laing mamne, dinadala pa hanggang abroad. Diba po? So thanks to these initiatives designed by the DA5's Agribusiness and Marketing Assistance Service. So ayan po, si Ma'am Nene. With the Regional Agribusiness and Marketing Assistance Division as lead orchestrator in the regions. So this year, chinek ko din nga kay Ma'am Ne, we have 54 exhibitors coming from all over the region. So, Red, all of us invite you all to patronize and support our own Bicolano agricultural products. Delicacies, planting materials, meron dyan kanina, handicrafts and other value-added products during this 3-day trade fair and exhibit. So, as His Excellency President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos said, one of the main drivers of our push for the growth and employment will be in the agriculture sector. Through our collaborative efforts, our vision of a food-secured and resilient Philippines with empowered and prosperous farmers and fishers will be realized. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much once again, the representative of our Red from the Department of Agriculture. Of course, once again, Dr. Mary Grace Rodriguez. Maraming salamat po, ma'am. Now, let's move on with our next message. We have here the OIC Chief, Business Development Division of the Department of Trade and Industry. We have Ms. Rosemary V. De La Trinidad. Palapakan naman po natin, everyone.
Good morning, everyone. To the board members of Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce, to Dr. Mario C. Villanueva, President of Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Sir Ferdinand Dondon siya, wala po si Sir. Sir. The Regional Governor of the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Honorable Nelson S. Legacion, the City Mayor of Naga, and our City Councilors, and the other board members of Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce, Ma'am Adelina A. Losa, the Chief of Agribusiness and Marketing Assistance Division of DA5, and also Ma'am Trinidad Carlos of DA, Ms. De Vera of SMCT Naga, guests, farmers, exhibitors, and our MSMEs, good morning. So on behalf of our OIC Provincial Director, Sir J. Percival S. Ablan, who is currently in Manila attending the 25th Orgulyokan Bicol Trade Fair in SMCT Naga, SM Mega Mall, we would like to congratulate the Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry and the City Government of Naga, together with the Department of Agriculture, for successfully staging this Aspire Agribusiness Support for Promotion and Investment in the Regional Expositions. Given that Bicol is one of the biggest producers of agribusiness in the country, we in the Department of Trade and Industry believes that agribusiness can help in boosting the country's agricultural supply chain. We in DTI are one with DA in undertakings assisting the farmers and our MSMEs and our official folks in strengthening the creation of higher value-added products that will bring greater income to our farmers and also our MSMEs. We aspire that through this trade fair, our farmer MSMEs will be able to have strong linkage with the market. So let us aspire together to build back a more inclusive and prosperous future. Once again, congratulations and good morning.
Once again, maraming salamat. Of course, from our Department of Trade and Industry, of course, none other than the OIC Chief for Business Development Division, we have Ma'am Rosemary V. de la Trinidad. Now, before we move on to our second to the last part of our program, let's have once again another intermission for this morning. Now to sing Ikaw Lamang, may request we have Mr. John Lloyd Bolocon. Palapakan natin.
Lamang ang tangi ko iniisip, ang lagi kong panaginip. Tayong dalawa ay laging nagmamahalan. Pangarap ko na kailanmay di maglaho ang pag-ibig kong ito, pagkat hindi ko makakayang mawalay sa'yo. Ikaw lamang ang buhay ko. Sana na may pakinggan mo ang puso ko na mayroong sinasabi. Ikaw lamang ang tangi kong minamahal, ang lagi kong dinarasal. Sana'y habang buhay tayong magkasama. Ang lamang sa'yo. Ito ang aking pangako mula ngayon hanggang magpakailan pa man. Ikaw lamang. Ikaw lamang ang buhay ko. Sana na may pakinggan mo ang puso ko na mayroong sinasabing ikaw lamang ang tangi kong minamahal, ang lagi kong dinadasal. Sana'y habang buhay tayong magkasama. Ang puso ko'y ibibigay lamang sa'yo. Ito ang aking pangako mula ngayon hanggang magpakailan pa man. Ikaw lamang, ikaw lamang.
Thank you so much once again, Mr. John Lloyd Bolocon from, of course, Naga, ikaw lamang. Maraming salamat, sir. Alright, let's proceed with our none other than the introduction of the keynote speaker. She is the Chief Agribusiness and Marketing Assistance Division of the Department of Agriculture, RFO 5. May request, we have Miss Adelina A. Losa. Palapakan po natin. Hi, ma'am.
Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Inot na inot ang sakuyang pagsaludar. Wow. Sa Mayor kang Naga, asisa sa iyong mga kairibahan sa Sanggunian. To the Governor of the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Mr. Ferdinand Sia. Sa representative kan DTI, Ms. De La Trinidad. Mr. Villanueva at sa iyang kairibahan sa Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Sa samuyang kairibanan also sa Department of Agriculture, Doc May na nagrepresent ki Sir Rodel, at sa sakuyang gabos sa kairibahan sa Rafis at saka sa Ahmad, Sisay pa. At sa gabos sa exhibitors, maray na aga sa Indogabos. Ang satuyang guest ko tango niya na aga, iyo ang Director kang Agribusiness and Marketing Assistance Division Service na iyo po si Engineer Univert Disagon. Kaya lang budget hearing po sa Senate ngunyan and saro kaibanan po duman ang satuyang budget for next year na i-defend ngunyan ni Director Disagon. Alagad day magkita pig short change ni Director Disagon. Iyan ang pangako niya sa kuya, day kita sa short change. Ipapadala niya ang pinakamagayon sa Agribusiness and Marketing Assistance Service. But I really requested the presence of Ning Carlos, Trinidad Carlos, kasi sabi ko dapat makita niya ang products ng Bicol. Ning, nakita mo naman, we are ready for EU. We are ready for US market, not only Asia market. Nakita mo naman. Kita mo naman approved na. And for those entrepreneurs sa pili, approved na po ng USDA ang pili sa Europe. Papasok na po ang pili sa Europe. And hindi po kami tumitigil doon. Hindi lang kami tumitigil doon na pili lang. And all the variants ng pili kasi marami pong requirements na ginagawa dyan. In fact, interagency po kaming gumawa niyan para makapasok ang pili sa EU market. Kaya inisa-isa namin and it took us almost 2 years para ma-approve ng EU, ng USDA ang pili sa EU market. So nandyan yan si So hindi ko na po pakatatagalin kasi babrasuhin pa namin ito for the Europe and US trade fair. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my privilege to introduce my best friend, the most beautiful among my friends, Miss Trinidad Carlos.
Ay, thank you, Ma'am Nene. Ang pasimuno ng lahat. Okay. A blessed day, ladies and gentlemen. But first, allow me to acknowledge the presence of our honorable guests and partners. Representing Director Tornilia, Ma'am Dr. Mary Grace Rodriguez, Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion, and all the city councilors, Mr. Mario Villanueva, the President of the Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry, and its family, Mr. Ferdinand Sia of the PCCI, Ms. Rosemary de la Trinidad of the Department of Trade and Industry, Ma'am Nene Losa, our farmers and fisher folks exhibitors, my fellow workers in the government, our dear guests from the private sector, thank you for joining us in this event. After a halt of all activities in 2020 and testing the water in 2021, where you hold Aspire again in a new normal situation, there's a new normal scenario emerge. And we are glad that the department, our regional office, and our esteemed partners in Bicol, the Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry, and the Department of Trade and Industry, continue to pursue and staging our agribusiness support for promotions and investment in regional exposition for our Aspire Trade Fair in time for the 18th Bicol Business Month. With the theme, retune and remake to the new normal, we need to retune ourselves and reorganize in order to adapt to the new changes in the marketing system and reconnect again with our partners and market. Aspire Trade is not just an effective marketing and trade promotion platform for our agri-based MSMEs, but also an effective enterprise development initiative which seeks to assist small farmers and producers to also help them develop into entrepreneurs. Now that we are beginning to see the shape of the new normal, through Aspire, we envision a more competitive and sustainable agriculture and fisheries sector. Aspire is also expected to provide a solid foundation to our beneficiaries and equip them with necessary knowledge and skill to trade in the local and international market. As we have seen, Bicol region is really ready for that, the local and in the international market. We are also proud of the milestones and success stories we have heard from our farmers and fisherfolk cooperatives who participated in Aspire events being conducted nationwide. Given the new directives of His Excellency President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., DA AMAS will participate more and collaborate with our private sector in conducting local trade promotion activities such as this is. He sees it as a one way to help the development of small and medium-scale enterprises in the agribusiness sector through the creation of market opportunities. We encourage also our stakeholders to level up their products to attain global competitiveness. Enhancement of their product packaging, compliance to international standards, and securing additional certifications are among the possible edges of our products in the global market. We encourage our partners, especially the private sector, to further explore opportunities in our sector, to help increase productivity and availability of food for our people. We are happy that with this partnership among government and private sector, industry groups and associations, we are able to collectively work toward the promotion of agriculture and fisheries. Thus, we highly welcome tie-ups and more engagement with the agribusiness private sector groups for more effective market links and sharing of relevant market information. So we are looking forward for more projects and activities with our partners. We urge also our farmers, our exhibitors, our fisher folks, and other participants to this fair to maximize the opportunity not only to promote their products, but also to learn and seek other opportunities that this event offers, especially moving forward to the challenges of the new normal marketing. We hope that we can achieve our shared vision of a sustainable and dynamic agriculture sector by working together. We hope that this year's Aspire will be success. In behalf of our Director, Juniper Desagun, thank you and mabuhay. Diyos mabalos po sa lahat.
Thank you so much once again. Ladies and gentlemen, our none other than our keynote speaker. Palapakan ulit natin, we have Ma'am Trinidad Carlos, our marketing specialist too of Agribusiness and Marketing Assistant Services of the Department of Agriculture Central Office. Now, dediretso na tayo to the awarding of the certificate to our keynote speaker. So may I read the citation? Thank you so much, sir. So the citation reads, Certificate of Appreciation is hereby presented to Ma'am Trinidad P. Carlos for her unwavering commitment in the enhancement of agribusiness in the countryside, the elevation of the quality of life of our farmers, and the eventual realization of food sufficiency and sustainability in the country. Given this 14th day of October 2022, during the opening program of Aspire and the celebration of Bicol Business Month at SM City Naga Event Center, Naga City, Bicol Region. Signed by our Regional Executive Director of Department of Agriculture, of course, Sir Rodel P. Tornilla, the Chairman of Aspire 2022 VP for Programs and Projects of MNCCI, Mr. EJ.A. Guazon or M. Guazon, and Mr. Mario C. Villanueva, our President. So there you have it, our certificate of appreciation to our Ma'am Trinidad Carlos. A big round of applause, please. And also we have the token for our keynote speaker. Once again, palapakan ulit natin ang ating keynote speaker for this morning. Maraming salamat po. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for being with us and joining with us dito sa ating Aspire 2022 from the ribbon cutting ceremony down to the opening program. And of course, maraming salamat din po sa lahat ng mga nandito ngayon. Hindi po tayo tapos dahil magpapa-photo ops muna tayo dito sa ating mga guests na nandito po ngayong umagang ito. So may I request the officers of none other than the Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry, together with our guests from the City Government of Naga and the members of the Sangguniang Panglunsod of Naga, together from the Department of Agriculture, Department of Trade and Industry, and from our Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry. So may I request our ma'am, together with, of course, our DA Central Office and from the Regional Office 5. Once again, may we request the officers of the Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry, headed by our Mr. Mario Villanueva. Hold on, we still have one more, please. Thank you. Once again, a special thanks, of course, to the Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry headed by Sir Villanueva for having me. And maraming salamat din po, Sir EJ Guazon, Kuya EJ, and Tita Emeline. Maraming salamat po for having me for this morning. At syempre, sa lahat po ng mga nandito pa rin po sa SM City Naga, tuloy-tuloy pa rin po ang ating exhibitors na nandito ngayon na pwede natin tingnan, i-check, at i-support dahil we are advocating and supporting our local businesses. Ladies and gentlemen, before we proceed to our acknowledgement from Ben, I am Flor J. Naval Medina, and live here at the SM City Naga, nag-iiwan ng kasabihan na we're here not just to impress, but also to express, inspire, and aspire. Thank you, and have a great morning. Bye, everybody, and this is the Aspire Agribusiness Support for Promotion and Investment and Regional Expositions, or Aspire 2022. Ben, for the acknowledgement, take it away.
The Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry, together with the Government of Naga, Department of Agriculture, Department of Trade and Industry, and the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry, brings you this year's
Thank you.
Agribusiness Support
Ligaspi po.
and
Pero
Regional
I can be at any
Expositions.
point of
We would like to express our heartfelt thanks to the presence of the following: Marketing Specialist 2 of the Agribusiness and Marketing Assistance Services of the Department of Agriculture Central Office, Ms. Trinidad Carlos. Chief of the Agribusiness and Marketing Assistance Division of DARF 05, Ms. Adelina A. Losa. OIC Division Chief Business Development Division of DDI Camarines Sur, Ms. Rosemary B. de la Trinidad. Of course, the presence of our beloved City Mayor, Honorable Nelson Ligacion, together with the members of the Sangguniang Panglunsod, Honorable Jose P. Perez, Honorable Jill Rosales, Honorable Jesse Albios, Honorable Jose Ranyola, Honorable Salvador Del Castillo, Honorable Gail Abunal Gomez, Honorable Omar Benafe, Naga City Investment Board Department, Mr. Ruel M. Oliver, PCCI Regional Governor, Mr. Ferdinand Chia, of course, the SM City Naga Mall Manager, Ms. Jeanette B. Vera. Thank you so much for assisting us with regards to our needs of this event. We would like also to thank the Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry President, Mr. Mario Villanueva. Of course, the Bicol Businessman Chairman, Director EJ Guazon. Best of Bicol Event Chairman, Ms. Emeline Salgado. And of course, Director Russell Puwatan, Miss Aspire, National Winner. The City Administrator of City Government of Naga, Mr. Elmer Baldemero, and the overall Event Coordinator, Miss Lian Zuniga Montemayor. Of course, Director Laureano Bihag of Bihag Burger. Thank you so much for this sponsor. Also, we would like to acknowledge the presence of Engineer Flor Asanya of Pechelitos Resort. Once again, we are live via Facebook page at Bicol Businessman Facebook page, Metro Naga Chamber Facebook page, and IMJ Interactive, the Facebook page, the Bicol Premier and Pioneering Live Multimedia Company. We also have the consolation prize winner of Miss Aspire, runner-up, Miss Emeline Salgado. Once again, with heartfelt thanks, we would like to extend our heartfelt thanks to the following exhibitors for this year Aspire 2022 here at SM City Naga Event Center, Department of Agriculture, Portos Kitchen Chili Garlic Oil, Farm Free Link, Cocamprofa, Pili Vegetable Growers Association, Santo Niño Pili Vegetable Growers Association, Santo Niño Pili Vegetable, Mayogob Agrarian Reform, Microgreens Plant Nursery. Ayan, kaway-kaway naman dyan ate. Icocos Food Products, Sares Pilinut Candy, Philippine Coconut Authority,